Happy birthday, Amnesty International Slovenia. 30 years is an important milestone, and I must say I'm very happy and honored that you thought of me to be a small part of this celebration. And colleagues at Amnesty International Slovenia, Natasha, Blaž, Jerneja, Metka and others were there to help. We work together, for example, on the raised people in Slovenia, with Roma communities, and it is only thanks to you, colleagues in Ljubljana, that we could do the work we did from London on this. It took me a while for me even to understand the complex reasons behind the difficult human rights situation of the raised people. But you researched them, you explained them to me, and this is what made it possible for me to work on that. But most of all, I remember our great partnership, how well we worked together for the same purpose, with the same goals.